was not going to church. So Lady Saw did not know how church people operate. Her friend died. She got into a state of shock and she ran into church out of fear. What Lady Saw don't know is that all of us who are going to church are still doing our dirty blogs and going to church, still doing our dirty songs and going to church, still sleeping with whoever we want to sleep with and going to church. Spice is still doing what she's doing and still calling upon Jesus. Rihanna is still doing what she's doing. Beyonce is still doing what they are doing. But Lady Saw made this great big shift. So she didn't spend enough time in Christendom to know that we church people, we are bitter, we are unkind, we are selfish, we are all for ourselves, and we are very hateful.